What if you could take your basic power rack and unlock a whole new universe of exercises? This body-solid attachment promises exactly that, transforming your setup into a complete home gym powerhouse. We're talking about the BFLA100 Lat attachment, designed specifically for the BFPR100R power rack. And honestly, it's a game changer for anyone serious about their home workouts. BodySolid has been an industry leader for over 30 years, and you can really feel that experience in the design and build of this attachment. It's not just about adding a lat pull-down. This thing brings high and low pulley functionality, opening up a massive range of movements. Think about it. Lat pull-downs, of course, but also seated rows, triceps pushdowns, biceps curls, face pulls, even shrugs. It's like getting several machines rolled into one, all integrated seamlessly with your existing rack. One of the standout features, and something I really appreciate, is the no cable change design. If you've ever wrestled with swapping cables between high and low pulleys on other setups, you know how much of a time waster and frustration that can be. With the BFLA100, you can switch between exercises quickly and smoothly, keeping your workout flow uninterrupted. That efficiency is huge when you're trying to maximize your time. Safety and durability are paramount, especially when you're lifting heavy. BodySolid addresses this with nylon-coated, aircraft-quality cables. That's the kind of detail that gives you peace of mind, knowing your equipment can handle intense, repetitive use. Plus, it comes ready to go with both a lat bar and a low row bar, which is a nice touch, meaning you don't have to immediately go out and buy extra accessories just to get started. And if you do want to expand, it's ready for a multitude of other attachments. Installation is described as quick and easy, which is always a relief. Nobody wants to spend hours assembling new gear when they could be working out. The attachment itself weighs around 51.9 pounds, adding a solid, stable feel to your rack without making it unwieldy. It accommodates standard 1-inch weight plates, which is common for many home gym users, but it's great that Olympic adapter sleeves are available if you're already invested in Olympic plates. Considering the versatility it adds, the quality of construction, and BodySolid's reputation, this attachment feels like a smart investment. The 3-year warranty on the frame and 1 year on all parts also speaks volumes about their confidence in the product's longevity. It truly transforms your power rack from a basic squat and bench station into a comprehensive home gym. So, if you're looking to dramatically expand your workout options without buying an entirely new, bulky machine, the BodySolid BFLA100 Lat attachment is an incredibly powerful upgrade. It's robust, versatile, and genuinely enhances your home gym experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.